Hello everyone, Mike Arnold here, co-founder of Trading Partners along with Bob Vicino. So, Bitcoin pushing up, finding some key resistance right there to candle bodies. So we always pay attention to those bodies more than the wicks. Finding some key resistance, coming back to rotation zone, holding the rotation zone, and slowly rotating back up. This little area just barely eked out a very sloppy double top. Now, if this pushes up higher, again, we'll have triple top territory. It hasn't ruled out the double top right now. Again, it's a potential one. Just means to watch the 7,600 level. If we move below there, especially on a closing basis, we could actually easily return to the full 25% retracement. So just keep an eye out for that. Otherwise, all the levels are still the same from the last video. Checking in on the daily chart. Daily chart key support coming in right now about 77.20, 76.85 to 77.20. If we get below there, that's where you're going to watch for the double, and that would also take us back to the bottom of the rotation zone if that were to trigger. So what's interesting is if that did trigger and took us back to the bottom rotation zone, we'd have another major potential double top, but we'll take a look at that if that happens. Other than that, if we continue to rotate back up, this is pausing, so really watch tomorrow what happens as the 8 comes in contact with this vicinity to see if it can get the boost higher. Switching over to Ethereum. Ethereum stalled out at the first stop reduction target for the double. Pulling back to 25% level, not stopping at the double, then rolling back up, still running into key resistance. So this about 2560, 2561 area on a closing basis is very key resistance. Nothing else has really changed. Key support now coming in right about 238 to 240. So those are the key levels we'll be watching. If this drops back down, 238 to 240 are the key levels we'll be watching for on the 4-hour chart. Switching over to the daily. Yeah, and that just reinforces that actually about to 241. That's where it is on the daily. So 238 to 241 is the key area of support. Nothing's really changed on the targets. If we did drop below that 238 level, we'd be watching first for support coming in around 233 and then back to 221. So what you have on this Ethereum and Bitcoin update. We'll talk to everyone soon. Bye for now.